Hello everyone, from this video we are going to know about how to determine the Young's modulus of non-uniform bending beam using vernier microscope. This formula is used to calculate the Young's modulus of the material of the beam.
For doing the experiment, following apparatus are required. Procedure begins with placing the beam on two knife edges, then fixed hanger and pin at middle of the beam.
Then focus the pin in the vernier microscope as the inverted image of the pin is visible in the scope by adjusting the vernier microscope until getting the inverted image of the pin coincide with the cross lines. After that, note that vertical vernier scale reading. Add 50 gram of load in the hanger and adjust the vernier microscope along vertical. When getting image of pin coincide with the cross line, then note the vertical vernier scale reading. Repeat the step 4 by adding the loads in steps of 50 gram, then corresponding readings are noted until attaining 350 gram of load. After adding about 350 gram, then loads are unloaded in steps of 50 gram and the corresponding readings are noted.
Then tabulated the noted readings.
Distance between the two knife edges is the length of the beam between the knife edges.
Thickness of the beam is measured using screw gauge. Breadth of the beam is measured using vernier caliper.
List out the observed values.
By substituting the observed value in the formula, we can calculate Young's modulus of material of the beam.
To find the Young's modulus of the beam graphically, following tables are used to plot the graph. A graph is plotted by taking a mass along the x-axis and shift in scale reading along y-axis.
Slope for the plotted graph is drawn and calculated.
By substituting the m by s value from the graph and observed value in the formula, we can find the Young's modulus of material of the beam.
These are the results of the experiment.